Hey guys, and welcome back to another video with Angel B Designs. I'm Angel B. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. In today's video, you guys, I am going to be doing a deep dive on all of my magnetic hoops that I use with my Poolin EOC06, as well as my BAI Mirror 15 needle embroidery machine. So there are multiple different hoops or magnetic hoops. A lot of people have issues and trouble with hooping with the regular hoops. I do too. Ever since I purchased my Mighty hoops, I have not touched my regular hoops that came with my mirror. Now I do still use the 7.9 by 11 hoop that comes with my Pulin if I'm doing like patches and things like that. But for the most part, I do use the magnetic hoops as well on my Pulin. So we're going to do a complete deep dive on the magnetic hoops. We're going to start with the Pulin. There are two different brands of magnetic hoops that I use with that. And then we're going to talk about the Mighty hoops that I use with my BAI. We're going to talk about the hooping station, and we're going to talk about how to find and figure out what is compatible with your machine. Okay, so make sure you have your notebook out. Make sure you guys are checking the description box. I will make sure I leave all of these hoops linked down below as well. And I'll try to make sure they are properly labeled for you guys as well. But that's what we're doing today, guys. So definitely make sure you are sticking around for that. All right, you guys, let's start off with the Pulin. I have a single needle Poolin EOC06. I got this machine from Amazon. I will leave a link for it down below, but I only have two of the magnetic hoops. One of them I can't even find anymore. I tried to look it up to see the price, the exact price of it. And I purchased mine from Amazon about a year ago, and I haven't been able to actually find it available. I also looked on the dime store and I haven't been able to find it. I will still link the one that I have in the description box just in case it becomes available again. But like I said, I got mine from Amazon. When I just looked it up, it says it's currently unavailable. And then I looked on the dime store because it's a dime hoop. And again, I wasn't able to locate it. So I'm not sure if maybe they don't sell it anymore. But this is the one that I use for the most part. So it comes like this. It does fit the Poolin EOC06. This one is the 7.9 by 11. This is the Embroidery metal magnetic embroidery machine hoop. It is, like I said, 7.9 by 11. And when you are searching for magnetic hoops to fit the Poolin EOC06 specifically, you want to look for hoops that maybe say they fit the Genome 550E. Okay, the Genome 550E and the Poolin have the same hardware that goes right here that attaches the hoop. So when you're looking for hoops, alternative hoops to the ones that come with the machine, if you see one that says it's compatible for a Genome 550E, then 9 times out of 10 it will be compatible with your Poolin as well. Of course, you want to make sure that you are reaching out to the manufacturer just to double check and let them know exactly what kind of machine you have. But that's what it says on Amazon, is that it fits the Genome Memory Craft 550E, and it does fit mine as well. And then it comes with, so this is the hoop part, and then these are the magnets, and you stick them going around. I have used this a lot. It does get a little bit tricky if you are trying to do hoodies, just because sometimes these can shift and move. But if you're doing like t-shirts, patches, earrings, in the hoop projects, things like that, this one works really, really well. It's probably my favorite. This is the Snap Monster. This is an 8 by 11. This one gives me a little trouble, and I'm assuming that might be why I can't find it, because I think that maybe there were a lot of people having the same issue that I was having. The issue I had when using this one, it does fit on the Poolin and it does work. This is an 8 by 11. But the issue that I was having was anytime I use this, not anytime, but sometimes when I use this, what I was having issues with were my projects were becoming misaligned, like extremely misaligned. And I'm wondering if that has something to do with why it's no longer available. I'm not for sure, but it was a nice hoop. It's similar to a Mighty hoop. So this kind of teal top part, it snaps right on there like that. So it was a really nice hoop, and theoretically it worked kind of similar to how the magnetic hoops did. And it, for a while, it was my favorite, but then I just started having issues with misalignment. So I'm not sure what that was about, but again, I got this from Amazon as well. I will link it, even though it says it's unavailable. Maybe if it becomes available again. This one is a bit pricier. I think I paid about $200 or a little over $200 for this one. I think it was like $219 for this one. And then this one is $89.99, and it's an overnight shipping. So like if I were to order it right now, it would be here tomorrow between 10 and 3 o'clock. So it has really fast shipping on Amazon, and it's 90 bucks. So these are the only two magnetic hoops that I use with my Pulin. I do not have a hooping station for my Pulin. When I hoop, I either hoop on the table, a large craft table, or I hoop on the floor. So those are the hoops for the Poolin EOC06. We are going to move on to the Mighty hoops and the Mighty hoop station for the multi-needle. All right, so these are my Mighty hooping stations and my hoops. So you can purchase the stations. This is the 5x5 station here. And this is what it looks like. So if you are wanting to do smaller projects, kids' clothes, left chest logos, things like that, this station comes in handy for sure. If you guys want a dedicated video on how to hoop left chest logos or kids' shirts with this, let me know. But this is really good for, like I said, like that, for kids' clothes, toddlers, left chest logos, things like that. This is the station that came with it. Now, I ordered mine as like a package deal, and I'll get into that in 1 second. But this is the 5x5 5.5 by 5.5 Mighty hoop. These things are life-changing. Okay, so number one, they are very strong. I have pinched my finger I don't know how many times. Okay, it will take a fingernail off if you let it, so be careful. But these things are really, really life-changing. Anytime I use these, I do not have any shifting, moving, nothing. Okay, nothing. These things are life-changing. And then you just kind of place with the stations. This is the bottom of the hoop. Let me bring you in just a little bit so you can see, but this is the bottom part of the hoop. You stick it in there, and then you would hoop your left chest, and then this goes on the top part like this. So you would stick your shirt in here for your left chest, get it nice and lined up, and boom. Now it's hooped, and your shirt would be in between there. See how easy that is? These things are life-changing, okay? But the package that I ordered was, I got it from Amazon, and like I said, I will leave a link for it below. This is for my BAI 15 needle mirror. Now, when I ordered this, I did get a message from the seller. Make sure that you respond to the seller. You want to make sure that the Mighty hoops that you are ordering are compatible with your machine. Mighty hoops is not compatible with every single embroidery machine, especially if you have an older one. But what I do like about these ones specifically is that, one, if you have a BAI machine, these are available on the BAI website. So BAI is only going to sell you what is compatible with the BAI machine. So you can either get it from the BAI website, I'll leave a link for it down below, or you can get it from Amazon, depending on how long you have to wait for shipping. The ones I got from Mighty hoop, it was a kit. So you got the 5.5 with the 11 by 13. You also got this 5x5 hooping station, and you got the big hooping station here for, like I said, larger shirts or center chest type of designs. Okay, so you get all of that. Oh, you also get it's like a t-shirt ruler. I don't have it. Do I have it in here? No, I don't have it in here. But it also comes with like a ruler as well to center your designs. I actually don't. I did use it when I first got it, but I've centered my design so many times now that I don't need it. But it is helpful if you are a beginner, or if that's just a piece of information you don't ever want to retain, is how to center your shirts when hooping. But like I said, I feel like once you do it so many times, it kind of you don't need the tool anymore. But it is helpful that it comes with it. Okay, so this is the hooping station for the 5x5. And then 5.5 by 5.5. I'm sorry, I keep saying 5x5. And then this is the 11x13 hoop. This is probably my favorite hoop. I would say if you, and I say this for everything, okay? People always ask me, what is the best hoop to get? What is the best machine to get? I say buy the biggest piece of equipment that your budget will allow. If you can only purchase one mighty hoop and that's it, I would say get the 11x13, because you can do any kind of design. I can do a 3X up to a 4X shirt with this 11x13, and I can do a youth medium. Anything smaller than a youth medium won't fit around this, but I have put a youth medium shirt on this 11x13 hoop all the way up to a 4X. So you get a lot of range with this 11x13 hoop. There are some people who love the 8x13s. I tend to do more like bigger designs. For example, this one I'm wearing right now, this is a longer design. An 8x13, you can go across, yes, but you're limited going down. Sometimes my designs going down the front of my shirt are 9, almost 10 inches. So like this one, it would be a little tight in an 8x13, okay? And this is my favorite autism design, but this would be a little tight in an 8x13, but it fits in the 11x13 just fine. So if you can swing it, I always say go the biggest that your budget will allow so that you don't have to upgrade later. I even bought a second one, so I have 2 of them. So, you know, when I'm doing orders and I have one on the machine, I can get the second one that needs to go on the machine. I can get the second one hooped. So I have 2 11x13s, and it makes my my workflow more efficient. I probably won't ever buy an 8x13 just because at this point I have 2 11x13s and I just don't think I need it. If I bought another mighty hoop, I would probably buy another 11x13. Or I might buy a smaller like toddler, but I do have the 5.5 by 5.5. So I don't even, these 3 get me whatever I need done. The 5.5, like I said, I can fit a youth medium. I can fit a youth medium on the smallest I can fit on the 11x13 is a youth medium. Anything smaller than that, I can use this one, and it came with the kit. So all of these really do everything I need to do. And I also have this one. Now this one I purchased to do sleeves. However, I haven't actually used it. This one is a 9x13. No, it's not. What is this? This is a 9x3. I'm pretty sure this is a 9x3. Why did I say 9x13? This is a 4.25 by 13. So 4.25 by 13. This one is really, really good for sleeves. If you're wanting to do sleeve designs, this is the way to go if you're using a multi-needle machine. I bought it to do sleeves, and I haven't actually done sleeves. What I noticed with me, that little backing piece that Mighty Hoops uses when you put the stabilizer on and you put that little stabilizer holder piece on there and then stick it in the sleeve to put the top on, I don't have that piece. And what I have noticed is that I have a lot of trouble hooping my sleeves because I don't have that, and I just haven't gotten around to purchasing it yet. I haven't gotten around to doing sleeve designs, period. Maybe I will next year, but I don't know. But if you want to do sleeve designs, this one is a really good size for sleeve designs, like, you know, going here. So yeah, if I could suggest just 2 mighty hoops, I would suggest this kit. I would suggest it because when it comes with both the hooping stations for both the sizes, and it comes with the 11 by 13, which, like I said, you have a very large range of what you can hoop with the 11 by 13. If you want to do sleeves, do the 4.25 by 13 for sleeves. And then yeah, that's pretty much about it. So I'm going to make sure I leave everything linked down below. This kit, I purchased it from Amazon. Like I said earlier, the seller reached out to me before they shipped it to make sure that I had the correct machine that was compatible with the hoops. So I placed my order within, like, I don't know, maybe like 12 hours. The seller sent me a message asking me to confirm the machine that I had before he shipped it. I told him I had the BAI Mirror 15 needle. He said, okay, cool. It'll ship out tomorrow. And then I received my kit. The extra hoop I purchased from Amazon, and the 4.25 by 13 I also purchased from Amazon. But again, these are also available on the BAI website. If you have a BAI machine, I have a BAI machine, so that's why I keep referencing BAI. If you have other machines, check their website. Sometimes, like Racoma may sell the mighty hoops on their website. I'm not familiar with a whole lot of different embroidery machines. Milco may sell some on their website as well. I'm not for sure, but I do know I have a BAI Mirror. I do know BAI sells the mighty hoops that are compatible with the BAI on the actual BAI website. So like I said, I'll make sure I leave a link for both the BAI website and the kit that I got from Amazon. That which one you purchase from is just going to be dependent on how long you would like to wait for shipping. Amazon, obviously you'll get it within a few days. Let me see. If I wanted to order it right now, how long would it take? Oh, so this says currently unavailable again. Why is everything unavailable? If you got the 5.5 by 8 by 13 kit, it says Tuesday, February 3rd is when it would be here. So it's not Prime eligible for sure. But again, I will, it says the 11 by 13 kit in 5 by 5, the 5.5 by 5.5 and the 11 by 13 is unavailable. Are y'all selling this out? Why is it unavailable? Why is everything I use unavailable on Amazon all of a sudden? I know it's available on the BAI website because I actually got my second 11 by 13 mighty hoop. I got it from the BAI website. So I'll make sure I leave everything linked down below. Even if it's on Amazon and it's unavailable, I'll leave it linked. You can set notifications to say, notify me when it is available again. So I'll make sure I leave everything linked down below anyway. Check the multiple different link options to see just what works best for you. I do get a lot of questions on these magnetic hoops, so I wanted to go ahead and do just a specific video on my hoops, what I use and why I chose them. Hopefully this was helpful. Hopefully this answered your guys' questions. If there was something I missed or you have another question, drop it down below and I'll try to answer it or get a video out for you. But that is all I have for this video today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hype, all that good stuff. Until next time, bye guys.